Maayong buntag kanatong tanan. It is my great pleasure to welcome you to this very important Philippine-Russia Business Forum. And this forum is part of many activities to commemorate the 50th anniversary of our diplomatic relations between the Russian Federation and the Philippines. And I would like, at this juncture, I would like to thank the efforts of all the chambers of commerce, especially Mandawi Chamber of Commerce. Let's give them a big hand, please. Lapu-Lapu Chamber of Commerce, Cebu Chamber of Commerce, and of course, with the support of the province of Cebu and of course the city of Cebu. Today's gathering is especially meaningful as we continue to strengthen the friendship and economic partnership between the Philippines and Russia. This forum comes to an important time when both our countries are seeking new opportunities and for cooperation in trade, investment, technology, tourism, agriculture, education, infrastructure, and digital economy. As we commemorate the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations between our two countries, we are reminded that strong partnerships are built not only through government-to-government engagement, but more importantly, through people-to-people and business-to-business collaboration. That's why I might sound like a broken record to you who have heard me, that I would like to inform you that I really believe in this mantra. My mantra is that to be able to, pursue business. And I would always say that tourism, culture, and even language, for this matter, breeds better opportunities, breeds better trade relations and investment opportunities between our countries. Because tourism and culture is the platform where there is people-to-people contact. And people-to-people contact will develop trust among all of us. And we are all businessmen here. We are engaged in business. We will only engage in business if we trust each other, right? So I really believe that this development, this mantra really holds true. And it is in my heart that I always speak about this mantra. Of course, the Philippines and Russia possess complementary strengths. Russia is globally recognized in its achievements in science, engineering, energy, information technology, aerospace education, and advanced industrial capabilities. However, the Philippines, on the other hand, offers a very dynamic and young workforce, a rapidly growing economy, strategic access to ASEAN markets, and expanding opportunities in infrastructure innovation, creative industries, agribusiness, and services. This forum serves as a platform to explore practical areas of cooperation, build meaningful partnerships, and create new pathways for mutual growth and prosperity. We hope today's discussions will lead to concrete projects, increased investments, stronger commercial tie-ups and linkages, and enduring institutional partnerships. We are honored by the presence of business representatives from both countries, and your participation reflects a shared commitment, deeper engagement, and a common vision for inclusive and sustainable economic growth and development. May today's forum inspire productive dialogue, fresh ideas, and lasting partnerships among us, and will further strengthen Philippine-Russian relations for many, many years to come. I believe that we can fly. Thank you very much.